Okay, so now we're going to start 9-1, Chapter 9. And we're going to start today with the midpoint formula. It's a super easy formula, and if you watched the video beforehand, you heard the little song that goes with it. Here's what it looks like. You're going to be given 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. And the formula for this is going to be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So that's what they mean when they're saying midpoint, midpoint. What do? Add them together and divide by 2. So what are we actually finding here? Well, in a coordinate plane, like that, if I have 2 points on there, here's 1 point, here's the other point, let's say, I'm looking for where is the midpoint or the middle point for those two, okay? For example, and this is what your project this week is over, if I have a car trip that I'm taking and I want to stop in exactly the middle to stretch my legs and get food and gas, the midpoint is where I would be stopping. So that's what we're doing today. Example 1, find the coordinates of the midpoint if A is at 512 and B is at -4.8. Well, midpoint, midpoint, what do? Add them together. So what are my x's? 5 and -4. And divide by 2. So, and then do the same with the y's. So my first y is 12. My second y is 8. Divide by 2. 5 plus -4 is what? 1? So that's going to be 1 over 2. 1 over 2 does not simplify, so that's just going to be 1/2. Let's see, 12 plus 8 is 20. So I should have 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. That's my answer. And that's seriously all we're doing today. Okay, I'm going to try one more just for giggles. If I have 1b, let's do that. Make sure I mark where everything is. Midpoint, midpoint, what do? Add them together. My x's are 4 and 14. And divide by 2. My y's are 5 and 13. And divide by 2. So I have 4 plus 14 is 18. And 5 plus 13 is also 18. So my final answer is going to be 9, 9 if I simplify those. All right, thanks.